If I told you your living room could feel twice as big without moving a single wall, would you try it? This is the hidden psychology of lighting, how to dissolve boundaries and trick your brain into seeing depth where there is none. Before we dive in, if you're into smarter home upgrades that actually work, tap like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Here's the core idea. Our eyes read vertical luminance and shadow gradients to judge space. Flat, overhead light crushes depth, makes corners cave in, and shrinks your floor plan. So I'll show you some simple home lighting principles that visually expand any room using light, not furniture. Step 1. Set the perimeter. Run a dimmable LED strip in a shallow cove or recess around the edges of the ceiling. Aim it toward the walls, not straight down. This light wall wash lifts vertical surfaces, erasing dark edges that make rooms feel boxed in. 2700 to 3000K, warm white for living spaces. 3500 to 4000K for work zones. CRI 90+, so colors don't look washed out. Step 2. Push the ceiling up. Add uplights, firing light onto the ceiling. Slim sconces. Floor uplighters. When the ceiling glows, your brain reads higher, airier, and bigger. Space them so the light beams overlap softly, no hotspots. Step 3. Anchor with low-level pools, table lamps, under-cabinet LEDs. This gives bright walls, glowing ceilings, and grounded light pools. That gradual gradient builds layers and depth without glare. Step 4. Kill the cave. Dark corners are square footage vampires. Add a tiny uplight behind a plant. A floor-standing lamp over a sofa. Easy to hide battery-powered lights in a deep bookshelf nook to give a soft glow. The goal is 0 black holes, not maximum brightness. Step 5. Control the ratios. Big rooms should feel balanced, not blinding. Keep walls roughly 2x brighter than the floor and the ceiling softly glowing, just enough to float. Use 2 or 3 dimmer zones. Perimeter. Uplight. Subtle accents. Daytime? Then keep the lighting perimeter down and the accents off. Evening. Perimeter 40-60%. Uplights 50-70%. Accents 30%. Pro tips. Matte paint on walls reduces harsh reflections and keeps gradients smooth. Light, neutral colors bounce more light, amplifying the effect. Aim fixtures across different textures, brick, curtain fabric, books and textiles. Shadows should whisper, not shout. And avoid cool white strips beside warm lamps. Pick a palette and stick to it. Let's recap the blueprint. Perimeter wash to erase harsh edges. Uplighting to lift the ceiling. Low pools to add depth. Corner fills. Smart dimming. You'll feel the room breathe out. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to see similar videos on small home improvements that make a big difference. All without breaking the bank. If you're struggling, drop your room size below and I'll suggest a layout. Right, go flip the switch and make the walls disappear. Your square footage didn't change, just your perception.